Welcome back to Vision Effect TV, your premier destination for deep dive mechanical engineering, design dissections, and global vehicle breakdowns. Today, we are answering a fundamental question in the two-wheeled universe. What truly defines a qualified maxi-scooter? Is it simply slapping a large displacement engine inside an oversized plastic body? Or does it require a precise harmony of chassis rigidity, powertrain refinement, spatial packaging, and rider ergonomics? To evaluate this, we are dissecting a standout contender in the mid-capacity touring segment, the QJMotor Fort 350GS, known domestically as the Hong 350GS. Designed to bridge the gap between daily city commuting and long-distance highway touring, the Fort 350GS promises big scooter luxury without the clumsy handling drawbacks. So, what structural choices, engine metrics, and ergonomic designs elevate this platform? Let's analyze the engineering reality. At the heart of the Fort 350GS lies a liquid-cooled, 4-valve, 330 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, outputting 22 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM and 33.5 newton-meters of torque at 5,500 RPM. Mated to a refined, continuously variable transmission, the powertrain delivers smooth, vibration-free engagement from as low as 2,500 RPM, eliminating the annoying low-speed clutch judder that plagues lesser scooters. Where many 350-class rivals bloat well beyond 200 kilograms, QJMotor engineered the Fort 350GS down to a lightweight curb weight of just 186 kilograms. Underneath, the robotically welded, electro-coated double-cradle steel frame delivers high torsional stiffness, ensuring crisp turn-in response and rock-solid tracking through high-speed sweepers. Paired with an 11.7-liter fuel tank, a realistic fuel burn of around 3.2 liters per 100 kilometers translates to over 300 kilometers of uninterrupted highway range. A genuine maxi-scooter must prioritize rider comfort above all else, and the Fort 350GS excels in spatial ergonomics. Featuring a two-stage, 1-meter-long angled footrest design, riders can fully extend their legs during long highway stints, drastically reducing knee joint fatigue. The sculpted, step seat supports the lumbar spine, while the 790mm seat height allows confident foot placement at traffic stops. Up front, an ultra-wide, electrically adjustable windscreen channels high-speed boundary layer air cleanly over the rider's helmet, reducing neck strain during extended rides. Pop the seat open, and you reveal an enormous 48-liter storage compartment with internal dividers capable of swallowing a full face helmet and a 3/4 helmet simultaneously. Combined with an integrated aluminum rear rack and a 7-inch TFT display with tire pressure monitoring, the cockpit is fully equipped for multi-day expeditions. When it comes to active safety, high-speed stability, and emergency chassis control, a truly qualified maxi-scooter cannot afford a single hardware compromise. The QJMotor Fort 350GS is anchored by high-spec Nissan dual-piston calipers biting large floating brake discs up front, backed by a single-disc rear assembly that provides progressive, highly predictable lever modulation during rapid deceleration. Managing this braking system is Bosch's proven dual-channel anti-lock braking system, working alongside a switchable traction control system to monitor wheel speed differential in real time. Whether encountering wet pedestrian crossings, unexpected oil slicks, or executing emergency stops on loose tarmac, the electronic safety suite intervenes with instant mechanical precision, preventing wheel lockup and rear wheel slip without inducing harsh lever pulsation or unsettling the chassis geometry. To handle real-world touring practicalities, QJMotor went a step further by integrating a discrete manual parking brake lever on the handlebar, securing the 186-kilogram frame when holding on steep inclines or waiting at traffic lights. Furthermore, a factory-integrated high-definition front dashcam comes pre-wired directly into the main electrical loom, recording every road event while preserving clean cockpit aesthetics. In our personal engineering assessment here at Vision Effect TV, a qualified Maxi-Scooter must satisfy four non-negotiable rules: effortless daily urban maneuverability, planted high-speed touring stability, massive under-seat storage, and uncompromising active safety. The QJMotor Fort 350GS hits every single one of these technical benchmarks, proving that high-end Maxi-Scooter luxury, rigid chassis engineering, and lightweight agility can coexist in absolute harmony. So, what is our final technical verdict? The Fort 350GS is a masterfully balanced, exceptionally well-equipped touring maxi-scooter that sets a definitive benchmark for what a modern 350-class machine should deliver. Does the Fort 350GS define your ultimate maxi-scooter layout? Drop your technical thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, subscribe to Vision Effect TV, and turn on notifications for more deep-dive automotive and motorcycle engineering breakdowns.